guys, welcome back to our Curls and Coils page. I'm Shelly.
And I'm Sparkle.
And today we're reviewing the Uncle Funky's daughter line. If you want to see how we got our results, just keep on watching.
Yes, it's been a minute.
I know.
It's been, what, we're in June and we haven't seen each other since March for my birthday.
Yeah.
This is like the first time we've seen each other in person. Like, we've talked on the phone, FaceTime, but in person it's been, since March. So
yeah,
I'm glad we are back to recording. I know we've been MIA, but now, we're back.
We're back.
So, today we are reviewing the Uncle Funky's daughter line. So we can't wait to show you guys our results. So I guess let's get right
started, right? So,
alright, so here we go. So I guess first we're gonna be putting in leave-in. I already had put in leave-in conditioner already, but Rochelle, she'll demonstrate on how she put her leave-in conditioner in.
Yes. So let's start with the leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner is called Good here. It smells like bananas to me.
Mm-hmm.
And I really like it. I have this, so I'm gonna put this in first. I guess we can edit.
So now we're just gonna go in and start sectioning out our hair. Yep, so she has the, like she said, the leave-in, and then we'll also go in with the Supercurl.
Yes.
This is a moisturizer, and then we'll go in with the gel. Moisture cream. So it has almond oil, shea butter, and vitamin A. And y'all, it smells.
That smells so
amazing.
Good. So good.
Amazing.
You guys should buy it.
Yes.
Like, I know we've had issues with Diva Curl being canceled. And I was looking for a nice super cream to be a replacement. And I have to say the Supercurl on this line, you guys are looking for a good curl cream, I would say it's a good styling cream.
Yes, definitely a very good styling cream. Very moisturizing.
So moisturizing. This whole line, if you have dry hair, I would say go with this.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just going through some of the curl strands with my fingers because the back of my hair tends to be frizzy a lot. So I'm just gonna finger curl some of the strands before I go in with the gel. So now I'm gonna go in with the Curly Magic gel. So I'll also gonna be doing the praying hand method. So I usually for each section I use one pump. So.
And as you can see, this is how good it is. I got 2 bottles. I'm gonna be going in with the Curl Magic 2. As well, and I gotta start the new bottle. I finished my old bottle. And I feel like with this gel, you pretty much get a nice wash and go every time.
So this is how it kind of looks. So sorry if we look kind of awkward because our whole setup is a little different this time. So we're over here trying to look this way, but our TV's over here, so.
I'm actually gonna switch pumps.
All right.
I'm gonna go in on this side. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just so good every time.
Mm-hmm. I already.
We're like at the same spot. Usually you're far ahead of me. Well, that's good. That's good. Okay guys, so for me, this is the end for me, and you can see like the definition, the shine. And yes, so we're probably gonna go ahead and dry.
Yeah, so for me, I usually diffuse, and Rochelle, she usually air dries. So so we'll be back with our final results. Yes. Hi guys, so we are back with our final results. I I diffused, well, I air dried first for a little while. We was over here chit chatting, and then we diffused with the blow dryer. And I guess my hair is pretty much like, I guess 90 or 95% dry. So it'll probably be even more fluffy and voluptuous later. So, but yeah, these are our results.
Yeah, I basically did the same thing as Sparkle. Air dried and then diffused a little, like 90% dry as well.
Yep. So as far as how it feels, is very moisturized.
Yeah.
Very smooth, very shiny. Oh, you just love how it just.
And the gel just gives it like the perfect, well, the whole line together, everything all together gives it the perfect balance of moisture and hold. So it's not too crunchy, it's not too soft, it's like perfect.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so usually for me, I would probably get like almost a week out of this wash and go. Like I can already tell that I'm gonna get a lot of days out of this wash and go. You just know when you have a good wash and go.
Yeah. I use this line too. I usually get like a week out of it.
Yeah. So it's definitely worth the money. It's not all that expensive.
It's not. The prices are really good.
Yeah, it's really decent price. So, and it's good ingredients. So if you guys are very conscious, if some of you guys are conscientious of ingredients, they have really good ingredients in their products. So, and they're cruelty free, vegan friendly. And usually, yeah. So if you guys look at that stuff in the products, this is definitely go-to product.
Yes, and talking about having a week wash and go, I just wanted to share 2 other products that they do have on the line. So they have something called Thirsty Curls. So with the Thirsty Curls, you can refresh your hair like day 2, day 3, however long you want to go. With the Thirsty Curls, smells pretty good. All the products smell pretty good. I feel like almost every bottle has like a different unique smell. I can't say like there's a line smell personally, but they all smell good. And those who work out, let's say you worked out, or say it's day 3 or 4 and you want to refresh your hair in terms of scent, there's something called Defunk. So definitely check this out. I love it. Mine is almost done. It's like down here. So give this a shot.
Yes, I love that stuff. The Defunk spray. Oh, it's amazing, because you know, like when you cooking, you know that food smell be getting in your hair, but then you put that in your hair, just spray it. Oh, your hair smells amazing.
So yeah, so the line is really good. I would highly recommend it to anyone.
Highly recommend. So, but yeah, so I guess that pretty much wraps up our review on Uncle Funky's daughter line. So for both of us, we love it. We suggest you try it out if you haven't done so yet. But yeah, definitely worth the money.
So go to, and I would definitely repurchase. So yes.
So guess we're done here.
We're done. So don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and until the next one, we'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.